What's up, guys? Just picked up this new trailer. Paid $1,000. Guy wanted $1,400 for it. I got hooked up to my F350, just doing a quick check, making sure everything's all good, all tight, everything. Just making sure everything's good. 18 foot. I think it's a 6.5 wide. Just checking everything, but yeah, we'll get back on the road in just a minute. So we're back home. So yeah, it was a long ride, I should say. About half an hour, at least 45 minutes. So it's a 18 foot, but right there where the garden hose is at, that's 13 feet. So there's a 5-foot dove tail. The steel plating needs to be refinished, but so far this is what it's going to be for right now. It comes with a toolbox, straps, and tie downs, 15-inch tires. We'll catch you in the next one, or in a little bit. We'll see. Alright, so it's the next day. Just got back home last night. It was just too hot to do anything. So walking up, I just cut off one little bracket right there so far. I'm gonna do some welding, but I gotta run up to Harbor Freight today. I gotta get some new pins for trailer pins for my truck, because I don't have no other ones. And I gotta weld, stitch that together, and stitch this piece right here, and do another stitch there, and hammer that side in right there. I'm gonna be pulling the trailer out. I gotta move this car and that truck and push this back up that way, so I can work on it in the backyard. But I'm gonna have to grease these axles. But we'll check that out in a minute, in a little bit, when I do this. So stitch that, weld that together so it's structural. Hit that in, and I gotta pull this trailer up, pull this truck up, pull that truck up, put this back in there. Then I can grease the hubs and check the brakes. I'm gonna do that when I get that back here. So we'll do that in just a little bit. Guys, so I just picked up a Yes welder from Amazon. It's a 205 arc welder, and just did one pass so far, and I'm gonna keep doing some passes. I'm trying to fill in that gap right there, and I'll show you what the results are in just a second. All right, guys, so I ended up welding this spot right here up, and using my brand new welder, and just put some tack welds here on that side, then did a straight bead all the way down. I just did to here. Someone else did that and that already before me. And before I even welded it, these two pieces, they were going like this. Like, you could step on this side and like this. All right, so next day, got all the stickers on, winch on, got the battery box mounted, got the wiring ran, just got to put a battery and put a crimp on that. And right now I'm just gonna wash down the inside of these areas, wheel wells. Got my hose, leaking a little bit. Let me tighten this hose up real quick. I don't know why it's acting up. Look at all that dirt coming out. I'm gonna change the setting on the hose real quick, on the thing. So yeah, just gonna let this stuff dry now, and gonna paint the wheel wells when it dries. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. I got the new lights on the front, and welded the little bolts to the back of that. So now that's securely mounted. I gotta paint that eventually. So right now I'm working on painting the inner side of the fenders right now. Just started doing it a minute ago, I just started using some oil-based paint. So far, just got that so far, and then still got a whole bunch. Plus, when I get the trailer farther over, I gotta do that side. But other than that, yeah, I'll show you guys when it's completely done. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you guys, after I welded, I painted it black with some oil-based paint. The whole thing. Painted the box. I didn't show you guys that, but painted the chains black. Put some new reflectors on the front too. And I got everything basically ready to go. I'm just gonna show you the battery that I'm gonna run for the winch and the power jack. So this is my old battery from my truck. This is a size 65 battery, AAA. It's only a year, 2 years old. So this is over 2 years old, and I've been keeping it on a maintainer since I swapped it out from my old truck. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.